Several record-breaking performances highlighted the Valvoline Drag Rivals Meet number 3 in an action-packed 3-day event which culminated on Sunday at Vernamfield in Clarendon.
Sergeant Andrew Hudson delivered one of the standout performances in his Honda Integra DC5R, lowering his own benchmark for the fastest in Jamaica with a 10.2-second pass. It marked a significant improvement from the 10.7-second time he recorded in 2019 and represented another milestone in the development of the JCF-backed race car.
JCF is here. You put in the work. And what you put in the work, you'll be success, right? Look up.
David Wigan, behind the wheel of a newly imported Nissan GTR R35, stormed down the Vernamfield strip in 8.2 seconds, surpassing the decade-long record established by the Lou Boys Nissan GTR R35 in 2016. Errol Brown, driving his grey Audi TT-RS, improved on his own benchmark for the quickest German-made vehicle in Jamaica with a new personal best of 8.7 seconds. Another impressive performance came from Brian Clough, who powered his turbocharged K-Series swapped Honda Integra DC2 to a new personal best of 8.4 seconds. Veteran racer Robert Morrison Sr., driving his blue 2JZ turbocharged Nissan 240 SX, emerged as the 8-second class winner. This is despite Roland Crawford recording an impressive 8.4-second pass, a performance which established his machine as the quickest extreme rear-wheel drive car in Jamaica. Crawford was unable to complete his pass in the final due to mechanical problems. The 9-second category was won by Kishore Williams, driving his blue front-wheel drive Nissan Pulsar. However, it was Sherwayne Williams recording a new personal best of 9.55 in his silver BMW X3 M40i that was named the quickest and fastest SUV in Jamaica. Andrew Perry, Seymour Anderson, and Rob Murray, who won the 11, 12, and 13-second classes, respectively, spoke on their races.
Andrew Perry, my name, driver 2003 Integra DC5, powered a K20, built motor, stock trans. The whole entire weekend was good. Had some problem in test and tune, got it resolved, and turned out first place, 11-second class. It was a good weekend.
What was the most challenging part of the weekend for you?
Dealing with my transmission. Gearbox had second gear issue, third gear issue. I had to take it apart, rebuild it, and then come back.
Seymour Anderson here from Seymour Speed. Running in the 12-second class. We have a grade of 32, and trust me, it was a whole lot of work, but I enjoying it, and we come out as a champion. You understand? First place. It's a Honda EK with a K24. Running pump gas, so it's treatable. I just put in backlight and heading home, you understand?
Alright, so I'm Robert Murray, aka Nismo. I drive the white Nissan Pulsar, which is powered by a K24 engine. Started the event a little shaky because we had some issues, but we came out victorious, winning the 13-second class.
Attention now turns to the next round of the Valvoline Drag Rival Series, scheduled for December 4 to 6, 2026. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sport.